Sounds Hit Tube presents royalty-free sounds.
Oh wow, Snickers! This looks great. Oh, is that caramel? This smells amazing, and like nougat as well, covered in chocolate. Okay, here we go. Let's give it a go. Oh, I've got to have another bite. This is too good. This is too good to just to have one bite. Big bite as well. Oh, it's really good. What are the crunchy bits in there? Huh? Peanuts. You're kidding, right? No, got a really quite serious allergy to peanuts. No, seriously. No, I'd never heard of a Snickers before. Oh, yeah, they're actually on the ingredients. This is actually very, very bad. Yeah, can feel the throat. Actually, yeah. Can you call an ambulance? I'm sorry to be. No, I promise you, I've never heard of this before. No, I sort of see the funny side, but no, seriously, can you call an ambulance? Because I literally, yeah, can't actually breathe. Brilliant. Yeah, can't breathe. Yeah, okay, well, you're still not calling them, so I'm just gonna have to hope that you do. Because, yeah, I can't breathe.